When you're working for your success, when you're trying hard to make your life better, sometimes you may find haters in your way. Normally, haters are the people who are with negative mindset. They are the people who are with weak mindsets. First, you have to remember that we cannot avoid each and every hater in our way. We cannot keep their mouth shut because they will always speak. So what is the best reply for a hater? The best reply is silence. Say nothing, do nothing. Just work on your success. Focus on your goals and just work on that. That is the best reply. Never reply from the words, reply from the actions. So even our great teacher Supreme Buddha had haters. When he was preaching the Dhamma, when he was healing the hearts of the people with the Dhamma, there were people who talked trash about him, who tried to put him down. But Supreme Buddha never replied with anger. Supreme Buddha never replied with resentment. Supreme Buddha never went to argue with them because he knew the best reply for a hater is silence.